Delayed placement of breast implants after mastectomy. So the most common situation where I would place implants following a mastectomy in a delayed fashion is when we do a staged, immediate breast reconstruction. Please refer to my video about the timing of breast reconstruction following mastectomy. But what delayed placement of breast implants refers to is at a time other than the mastectomy, meaning a date after the mastectomy, we go back and we place silicone implants to reconstruct the breasts. The two advantages of this technique are that it allows us to avoid the process of tissue expansion and the complications associated with tissue expanders. The other advantage is that by the time you get a prosthetic device in your body has had a chance to heal from the mastectomies. When we do an immediate reconstruction direct to implants, there is a risk that the skin on top of the implants could die, which is mastectomy skin necrosis. If that incision doesn't heal very well, the risk for infection is much higher. And finally, all the fluid that is produced following a mastectomy has to be drained, and those drains can stay in for a long time. And if we place an implant at the time of the mastectomies, that drain can be a conduit and increase the risk for infection around that implant if it is in place for too long. So the advantage of spacing out the mastectomy and the reconstruction by a few weeks are that by the time we go to do your formal reconstruction and put an implant in, those 3 weeks have passed, which allows the skin to get stronger, the blood flow to improve, the drainage to go down, and so that your body can accept and tolerate placement of an implant much better than at the time of the mastectomies. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.